Hello everybody and welcome back to day 9 of my ClickBank series. If you would, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. That way you'll get notified every time when I make a new video. Also, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Now the purpose of this series is to show people how to promote ClickBank products using a system called My Lead Gen Secret. What My Lead Gen Secret is, it's a program where they give you 100 leads every single day for $1. I got 2 accounts signed up, so I'm getting 200 leads every single day. But since I signed up my second account underneath my first account, I'm getting 200 leads on my first account and 100 leads on my second account. So that's a total of 300 leads every single day for $2 a day. And they'll keep giving me those 300 leads as long as I keep paying my $2 a day. So in order to get signed up for this, if you take a look at my video right now that you're watching, there should be a button that says show more. You'll click on that. Start on day 1, because day 1 I'm explaining everything that's going on. So if this ain't your first video that you're watching, be sure, let me erase all that. Be sure that you're starting on day 1. And to get to day 1, just scroll down and click on this link right here. And to get signed up for MLGS so you can get your leads, you'll use that MLGS right there. You could click the ClickBank link if you want to go directly to ClickBank. So there's the links that you need. So if you click on that one, it'll bring you to this one. You'll join MLGS for $1 a day. And then you'll sign up the other accounts following the steps from the very first video. I'm not going to go through the steps anymore in this video. So let's get started. So I'm going to sign into my ClickBank to see what all happened yesterday. See if we got any sales. No sales came in yesterday. We still got our 2 sales right here. So I'm going to click on my nickname right here, my account nickname. And it's going to open a new tab. I'm going to close my old tab because I don't need it anymore. So as we can see, May 8th was yesterday. No, May 8th is today. Haven't gotten to sell yet. I haven't promoted it today yet. So I'm clicking on reporting just to see how many hops we got. 2,291. So we made $0. And we have 2,291 hops. But right now we're averaging our 1 sell per 1,000 hops. That's pretty much how it should be. Pretty much. If you could beat that, more power to you. Alright. Now I'm going to click on tracking ID real quick just to see how each account's doing. Account number 2 is doing kind of slow. But it did get a sell, so can't complain about that. Alright. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go find a product to promote. We're going to keep using the same product. I got 2 more days left of email, so we're just going to go ahead and promote this product for 2 more days. So in order to do that, we're going to click up here on the marketplace where it says marketplace. And it's going to give us a list of categories over here on the left. The categories that these leads work for is the e-business and e-marketing category. It does not work for any other category. So be sure to select e-business and e-marketing right here. And I'm going to click on that. And we're going to sort by gravity. The one that we've been promoting this week is right here called Get Paid to Use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So I'm going to right click right here on the affiliate page and open that up in a new tab. Now I'm going to come down here where it says email swipes. And I'm going to click on email swipes. Now we're on day 9, so I'm going to use email number 9. I'm going to copy the subject. Well, I'm going to open up my lead gen secret now. I'm going to go sign in to my account. Now remember, you should have at least 2 accounts by now. Now that I'm signed in, I'm going to click on mailing system. I'm going to hit select all so I can select all my leads. Right here where it says subject, I'm going to go back to this middle page right here where it says affiliates. We're on email number 9. I'm going to copy this subject right here. I'm going to paste it right here in the subject line. I'm going to come down here, select all, Control A, and I'm going to hit backspace and delete that. I'm going to come back to my affiliates tab, and I'm going to copy this body right here all the way down to where it says signature. I'm going to hit Control C to copy. I'm going to come back and hit Control V to paste. Now I'm going to do my 0 through 9 trick. 0, 1, 2, 3. All right, so after the word media, I'm just going to make these sentences a lot better. I'm going to copy that. I'm just going to cut that. I like to edit this in a notepad if you've been watching me. So after the word media, I just want to shorten these long lines so the email looks more professional and it's not stretching all the way across the screens. And that looks good. And I'm just going to copy everything. I'm going to come back and paste that right there in that box. Now starting from the top where it says name, we're going to come up here and use this code right by the first name. We're not going to use the full name and we're not going to use the last name. We're going to call the people by their first name whenever we're talking to them in this email. So highlight and copy the code next to first name. And right down here where it says name in the brackets down here, highlight that, then hit Control V and paste the code right there. That's going to call the person that you're emailing by their name. Where it says country right here that I'm erasing, we're going to type your area. Remember, anywhere where it says country, we don't have a code for country. So we just type in your area. Here's another one. It says country again right here. We're going to take that out. Put your area. Okay. Signature, we're going to replace signature with your name. Now we need to insert your affiliate links into this email. That's the most important part of this whole thing. So we're going to come back to the marketplace tab, the very first tab. Right here where it says promote, we are going to click on that. Make sure your account nickname is in this box. This is how they know who is going to get paid. So make sure your account nickname is there. You do not need a tracking ID. You can use one if you want. I like to use MLGS for my lead gen secrets. So I know that if I get a sale, that is coming from my lead gen secrets. And I'll hit create hop link and it'll generate your affiliate link right down here. So what we'll do now, we'll hit copy. It says hop link copied. So now we'll click back on this tab that says mailing system and we'll read through the email and see where we can put these links. See where it says please click here and complete it now. Spots are limited. We are going to highlight that. Anytime where you see click here, that's a hint like, hey, we need to put a link there so they can click on it. So we'll highlight that and we'll come up here to where it says link. You can also open this box by hitting Control L on the keyboard and you will paste your link right there. Then you will hit OK. Here's another one. Click here to get started now. I'm going to open the link up. I'm going to hit Control V, paste my link, and hit OK. Now I'm going to check this box that says perfect timing. And then I'm going to preview my email first, just to make sure that these links work. The links are working. So I'm going to hit close, and I'm going to hit send. It's pretty simple. This is all I do for ClickBank every single day. Now I can't send the email out to this list of leads for another 23 hours. So Now I'm going to go send emails out through my other account. And here's the fastest way to do that. Do not sign out yet. Come up here to where it says mailing system, right click and hit duplicate. It's going to open up a brand new tab. Now you can sign out. You'll log out of that one. And then you're going to log in to your second account. And if you have more accounts, you'll just repeat this process after this and just make sure you send out emails with all of your accounts. So we're going to click on mailing system again. We're going to select all. And right here where it says subject, we're going to come back to this first tab that we just sent the emails from. And we're going to copy the subject line from there. And we'll come back to this tab and we'll paste it right in the subject line. Now we're going to come down here and erase this email body. I'm going to come back to the first email. We're going to hit Control A to select all, or you can highlight everything with your mouse. Copy that and paste it in this box. Hit perfect timing. You can preview it if you want. Make sure the links work. If you are tracking these, double click on the links. Like you see where it says click here. If you click once, it won't do nothing. But if you double click, this box will pop open. And since this is my second account, I like to put the number 2 back behind it so I know I'm using my second account. And I'll do the same for this link as well. And I'll preview it again just to make sure that it works. And they both work. I will close that out. My perfect timing box is checked, so this email is ready to be sent out. So that's the reason I duplicate that after that first email, because I don't have to insert the links again. I don't have to put the codes in for their nicknames or for their names, and I don't have to put your area wherever it says country. I don't have to do none of that anymore. It's just simply copy and paste. So that's it for today. Come back tomorrow and we'll see if I got a new sale or something. Happy Mother's Day once again to all the mothers out there. You all have a good day and take care.